Here we are at the beehive. Look at that. Look at that right there, would you? 3-county Mountie sitting there. Yeah. I don't know how long they've been here. I don't know. It's hard telling. I see 3 there, and I think there's another one behind it. So there's 4. 4 of them at the beehive. Hello. Yeah. Let's just sit here and see what happens. I record all violations. Title 18-641. I want to bet you money that every one of them is inside eating and got their family with them. What do you think? Yeah, so let's find out who they are, I hope. Damn, look at that. There's no reason for three county deputy. 4. There's one. See the one behind? See that one behind? Right there. See? Oh man, where's that finger at? There it is, right there. See it? Right there, right there. Let's see who comes to him. Anyway, this is one of them drive-by things. Driving home, looking into a parking lot at the beehive, and bam, there's 4 bees sitting in there. Waiting to sting somebody. Look at this. This is where they're at. I'll tell you where they're at. They're right there at that restaurant. Just about guarantee it. Why is that focus so bad? Why is it doing that? I don't know. So anyway, now we got one starting up. Yeah. So yeah. Got one sitting in his car. Yeah, I'm recording you. That's right. Come on over and say something to me. Gee, I wonder how many of them there are. The middle one just turned his lights on, didn't he? Yeah, there's one in the back of his car. He's gonna be in uniform probably. He's gonna go to the restaurant. Time to eat, son. Let's go eat lunch together while we're on duty. Let the taxpayers pay for this shit. That's what I'm talking about. So where'd they go? Oh, there they are. They're going up into that restaurant right there. Look at them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 there. There's probably a couple outside now. Yeah. You gonna come over and fuck with me because I'm recording you guys violating the rule? Law? Title? They just went in. That means they're gonna be here a while. I ought to go get something to eat. Huh? Mm-hmm. 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 See if I can get my binocular out and take a look at that car with the light on, see if there's someone in it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I actually don't see nobody in none of them cars. Why that light came on? There's some more of you out here. There's some more of you out here. So yeah. This is the BE HIVE, baby. I'll take a drone flight of this. Huh? I think I will. I'm gonna cut off here and go do a drone flight. This 7 minutes is worth every bit of it, right? All right. We'll see about that later.